a tornado warning for northern Charles County in southern Maryland, southwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland until 4:45 p.m. At 4:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Indian Head, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Waldorf, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and avoid windows. If outdoors or in a mobile home or vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Laurel or near Beltsville and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Columbia, Severn, Elkridge, Baltimore, Washington, and Ellicott City. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows. The National